Welcome to this short video guide showing you how to make decisions for the EMS area within HOTS. Scrolling down, we can now see the full array of decisions available to us within the EMS page. EMS stands for Environmental Management System, and this is where we can make decisions around sustainability within our hotel. There's two main reasons we might do this. Firstly, of course, is potentially to save money. All of these items, once installed, will save you money. Now the payback time for these will vary, and I'll come back and talk about that a little later. The second reason is that, as in the real world, guests within HOTS are looking for certain things. Some of these guests will want to stay in hotels that have good eco and green and sustainable practices, as that's something which is important to them. If you don't have any of these items installed, you're going to find it hard to attract those guests to come and stay with you. Now, depending on your exercise, you may see slightly different options here, but largely these decisions will remain similar. Similar to other areas within HOTS, we again have the level system. Level 1 is the more basic, level 2 is the mid-level, and level 3 is the higher level. Let's look at an example. So, energy usage reduction with regard to lighting. If we select level 1, this is going to replace all light bulbs within the hotel with energy saving equivalents. It's actually a relatively low cost and the saving is pretty good. Level 2 installs more technology to help us save money, and level 3 even more technology including things like light sensors in order to really save money on lighting as and where we can within the property. As we go through the levels, the cost increases, but the benefit also increases as well. Again, as with other areas, if we go to the top right hand corner and look in our help file with the white question mark, once we load this up, it's going to give us more information about how to make decisions within this area. And if you look at the menu on the left hand side, you'll notice all of these options are shown to us. So if I go to option 8, which is the option I just talked you through, here it tells you more information about those levels. So it gives us a description, it gives us the cost, and it tells us the benefits that we get for that. So you will need to decide which options you wish to do in order to meet your strategic goals as and when you go through the simulation. The key piece of advice here would be that these all have a payback time. So the earlier you do these within the exercise, the sooner you're going to see a benefit. Now at the top of the page, we have an additional drop-down menu. So you'll see it says EMS page, and at the moment it says installation. So these are all features which need to be installed within the property. If I change this to other, the page will refresh, and as I scroll down, here you'll see that we've also got an additional 5 options. These options are not installations, but more practices and schemes which we can introduce to the hotel. Again, more information on those is contained in the help file. You'll also notice that we have accreditations here at the bottom, and again, those accreditations may vary depending on the scenario of HOTS which you're utilising. Once you've installed enough of the features to be able to be awarded those accreditations, you're able to check those boxes, and then you'll be able to accept the accreditation, and that will also be a boost for you in terms of your marketing and your position within the marketing and the market that you situate yourself within. So achieving those accreditations is a really good thing to work towards. Thank you very much. This brings an end to the short video guide telling you about the EMS decisions within HOTS.